सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
Now, papers to be not laid. Papers to be laid, nahi hai? Parliamentary Standing Committee. First is papers to be laid. Where is it? No papers to be laid? You take it. Why are you doing? Okay, I'll do it. Take the paper. Papers to be laid on the table of the House. Papers to be laid on the table of the House. Sri Bandaru Dattatreya. Bandaru.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Sri Bandaru Dattatreya, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of the business.
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against her name in serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Giriraj Singh.
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के आगे उल्लेखित कागजात को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Kiran Rijiju.
Rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Vishnu Dev Sai.
आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 5 पर मेरे नाम पर उल्लेखित कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Message from Lok Sabha.
Sir, I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 14th March 2017 had agreed to the amendments made by the Rajya Sabha to the Enemy Property Amendment and Validation Bill 2016 passed by the Rajya Sabha at its sitting held on the 10th March 2017.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. Sri K. Raghavan Khan.
To present the 201st report in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on the demand for grant for 2017-18 of the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personal and Public Grievances, Law and Justice. Sri Sukhandar Sagar Roy.
Dilip Bhai Pandya. Sir, I have already given the
presenting.
message that Mr. Dilip Bhai Pandya will place the report.
Yes, sir. I'm presenting.
Okay.
Sir.
Dilip Bhai Pandey.
Thank you very much, sir. With your kind permission, I present the following reports in English and Hindi of the department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personal, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. 1. 19th report on documents of grants 2017-18 of the Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions. And second, 91st report on demand for grants 2017-18 of the Ministry of Law and Justice. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. Dr. Mahendra Prasad.
Sir, I beg to lay a copy each of the two reports, both Hindi and English, of the Standing Committee on Finance stated against my name in today's list of business.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution. Sri Shadilal Batra.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution 2016-17. 13th report on action taken by the government on the recommendation contained in the 10th report, 16th Lok Sabha on demand for grant 2016-17 of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Food and Public Distribution, and 14th report on action taken by the government on recommendation contained in their 11th report, 16th Lok Sabha on demand for the grant of 2016-17 of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Consumer Affairs.
Announcement by Chair. I have to inform the members that a letter has been received from Sri Ravati Raman Singh, member stand, stating that he is unable to attend the sittings of the current session on health grounds. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 9th March to 12th April 2016 of the current session of the Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 9th March to 12th April 2016 during the current session of the Rajya Sabha? I hope the permission of the House is there and permission is granted. Statement by Minister Sri Kalraj Misra. You can lay it on the table, I think.
मानवर मेरे
ले कर सकते टेबल पर
ये हाँ
you can place on the
मैं
table.
सदन पट पर रखता हूँ।
हाँ. What is it?
Arrangement of Business Rule 23, sir.
Okay.
On the day before yesterday, when the Parliament was in session, sir, I raised the issue relating to the capture of fishermen by Pakistan Marine. And the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry, along with the Minister of the State Defence, says they will make a detailed statement. I would like to know when they are making a statement relating to that.
Was
It is not in a business.
there an assurance?
Yes.
It
It is not assured. They said here, yes, it is in the, it is
Okay.
already in the
No,
minutes, sir.
if there is an assurance, it will be
No,
complied
it
with.
is in the minutes. I wanted to know from when they are making it.
No, that I cannot
It's
ask.
not assurance,
I cannot
sir.
ask.
No, they are. Sir, hang
No,
on.
I am allowing you, sit down. Now, I am allowing you, sit down. Your name is here. Ali Anwari ji, sit down. Your name is here, I will call you.
That is not a...
आपको टाइम मिलेगा या टाइम मिलेगा sit down no let me take up 0 hour
Sir,
let me take up 0 hour
sir, don't take
सबको
this as
टाइम
an
मिलेगा
assurance, sir.
My notice under
आपको
267
अवसर मिलेगा
over the brazen disregard of the people's mandate and the constitution.
no I have your name is here I will allow you
My notice
I am
is
allow
under 267, sir.
Anand Sharma ji I will allow you I will allow you आप बैठिए I will call you sit down I will call you
Home Minister made a statement here,
a clarification
and on that day it was decided that the next first day of
Okay.
business,
today we can
clarification will be sought.
yeah it is there
So therefore, sir, it has to be taken up today.
okay it is in the
The
list of
Home
business
Minister has to answer or reply to the clarifications that are sought by members. It has to be done today.
all right see PL Punia 0 hour PL Punia now I am giving you I will call you अरे बैठिए आपको टाइम मिलेगा PL Punia no you PL Punia
Assurance, sir. You used to ask when they are making a statement. I want a statement, sir. They
No.
told the house that they will make a statement. I want to know when they will make it.
no, I have to examine whether such an assurance is there or not
It's that here in the minutes. It's in the minutes. If you want, I can read the minutes. If you want it.
No.
It's in the minutes, sir.
If-
Sir, but what? I mean, you should ask them. I am asking Parliamentary Affairs Minister through you when they are making.
would you like to react no what he says there
Is making
sit down,
a
sit down.
statement.
No, what he says there, the other day, Honorable Minister promised that a statement will be made on the problem of fishermen captured by Pakistanis. If there is such an assurance, why do you talk to the concerned minister and come
Sir,
back?
a full statement.
No,
of
please.
this will be made.
Yeah.
Because what the minister has said.
सुनिए अभी सुनिए when the minister अरे minister is there then let him
हम जो है
you sit
वो
down
आप जो एश्योरेंस दिया है उसको 100% फुल
convey to the
हम मिनिस्टर से मैं आई विल कन्वे द मिनिस्टर
and-
अबाउट हिज एश्योरेंस
and request him to make the statement if he is making as early as possible. Okay. Now Sri PL Punia.
उपाध्यक्ष जी
If you are given notice,
Yes, I have.
Honorable Chairman will consider it. Sit down. Okay, please, Mr. Punia ji.
उपाध्यक्ष जी जेएनयू के रिसर्च स्कॉलर जे मुथु कृष्णन की आत्महत्या बहुत
No. Your subject is not that.
सब प्लान पे बोलता हूँ जनाब
Our supplant. That is the subject you are
ये
given.
जो उसी पे ये भी बोलेंगे
बोलिए.
ये आजादी के समय में अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति लगभग 95% बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन थे। उसको दूर करने के लिए अनेक योजनाएं बनी। बाबा साहब डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर ने 26 नवंबर 1949 को जब आखिरी संविधान सभा की बैठक हो रही थी उसमें कहा था कि हमारे लिए सामाजिक और आर्थिक गैर बराबरी एक विशेष चुनौती होगी आगे आने वाली सरकारों के लिए और जब तक इसको जल्दी से जल्दी खत्म नहीं किया जाता, गैर बराबरी खत्म नहीं होती, अन्यथा इससे पीड़ित लोग इस संवैधानिक व्यवस्था को ध्वस्त कर देंगे। 1980 में इंदिरा जी ने शेड्यूल का सब प्लान, ट्राइबल सब प्लान, वो योजना शुरू की। उसके हिसाब से जितनी आबादी है SC ST की, उसके अनुपात में बजट एलोकेट किया जाएगा और डायरेक्ट उनको लाभ पहुंचाने वाली योजनाओं को फंडिंग उसके माध्यम से होगी। लेकिन बड़े अफसोस की बात है, अभी 2017-18 के बजट में, इस केंद्रीय बजट में SC सब प्लान, ट्राइबल सब प्लान का कंसेप्ट खत्म कर दिया गया है और वो कहा गया कि हमने 52,393 करोड़ रुपया आवंटित किया है, लेकिन 14-15 में 50,000 था, उसको घटा के 30,000 कर दिया, उससे आगे 38,000 है। उसके कहते हैं कि हमने इतना बढ़ा दिया, ये उसके लगभग बराबर है। जो ड्यू है 16.6% शेड्यूल कास्ट का बजट होना चाहिए और शेड्यूल ट्राइब का 8.6% होना चाहिए। उसके हिसाब से पूरा गैप है और केवल 2.50 इसमें बजट आवंटित किया गया है, जो बहुत ही शर्मनाक बात है। मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि जो शेड्यूल का सब प्लान का जो बकाया है वो कब पूरा किया जाएगा, क्योंकि इसकी व्यवस्था में ये स्पष्ट है कि नॉन लैप्सेबल, नॉन डाइवर्टेबल ये अमाउंट है, तो इसका हिसाब कब देंगे, ये मैं वित्त मंत्री जी यहाँ पर मौजूद है, उसको जानना चाहूंगा। इसके अलावा सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम, सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम्स, उसमें भी भारी कटौती की गई है और इसमें लगभग 1,04,490 करोड़ रुपए की धनराशि कम आवंटित की गई है। इसलिए मैं विशेष निवेदन करना चाहूंगा कि शेड्यूल्ड प्लान का पूरा पैसा दिया।
Okay, Ali Anwar is supporting, associating, Raja associating. See, all those who associate.
मेरा नाम ले रहे हैं।
No, Anand Sharma. I will call, your name is there, I will call you. Anand Sharma.
सर, नहीं हमारे Deputy Chairman, sir, elections are held in a parliamentary democracy and the people give their mandate. And after the results are declared, the mandate is accepted and respected by all. In the recent assembly elections, the voters have given their verdict. I congratulate the ruling party that you have scored a big victory in the state of Uttar Pradesh. We are equally proud and happy that in the sensitive border state of Punjab, the voters have given a massive mandate to the Indian National Congress to form the government. Sir,
Now please.
Sir, in this, again a sensitive border state of Manipur, which has seen turbulence, insurgency in the past, the Indian National Congress emerged as the single largest party with 28 MLAs. And with assured support, the incumbent chief minister was in a position to form the government. So in the state of Goa, where the ruling party was in office, Indian National Congress emerged as the single largest party in Goa. Now, sir, the established position is under law and under constitution. I know my friends on the other side will not agree, but the fact is there are two judgments. Please don't interrupt me. There are two judgments of the Constitution bench of the Supreme Court, a nine-judge bench and a 5-judge bench have made it absolutely clear, and that's the settled position in law, that if there is no clear majority of any party, the governor is obliged, that is the law position, to first invite the leader of the largest party to form the government and to prove their majority. In case they are not in a position, then only the second largest party will be given an opportunity. Here, sir, they have turned it upside down. I'm sorry to say mandate has been violated, established law and constitutional position has been disrespected, and a party which has won a big state is stealing MLAs, stealing the mandate to cover together the government. It's a murder of democracy. Only because they have won. They do not have the right to do what they have done. The governors are acting at the behest of the government.
Time over. D. Raja. Time over. Sri D. Raja. Time over. Sri D. Raja. D. Raja. Time over. Sri D. Raja.
Sir, point of order.
Yeah, please. Time
Point of
over.
order is this. Sir,
Sharma ji, your
अभी
time is
आनंद
over.
शर्मा जी ने कहा है कि हमने जो जनता का जनादेश है उसे एक्सेप्ट भी किया है और उसकी रिस्पेक्ट भी की है। मुझे अफसोस है कि ना इन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया ना रिस्पेक्ट किया, क्योंकि जो जीत का ग्लैमर होता है और हार के ग्रेस होता है, ना आपने जीत के ग्रेस को, जो आपने हार के ग्रेस को पूरी तरह से ध्वस्त कर दिया है। और जो ग्रेस आपको हार के बाद जनादेश को स्वीकार करने के लिए दिखाना चाहिए था, आपने नहीं दिखाया। मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर है सर 238, इसमें द रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन द कंडक्ट ऑफ द पर्सन इन हाई अथॉरिटीज अनलेस द डिस्कशन बेस्ड ऑन द सब्जेक्टिव मोशन ऑन द पेपर। इन्होंने ऑनरेबल राज्यपाल गवर्नर के लिए इन्होंने सवाल किया है, तो इसको स्पंज किया जाए, क्योंकि ये बहुत क्लियर है कि अगर गवर्नर के रोल पर कोई डिस्कशन करना है तो उसके लिए सब्जेक्टिव मोशन आएगा, उसमें इस तरह से स्वीपिंग स्टेटमेंट नहीं आएगा। तो
I will go through. If there is any reflection, I will expunge it. Arey Baba, what? Now, D. Raja.
Sir.
D. Raja.
Sir,
Bolo.
okay. Sir, with
Bolo.
with sadness, I raise this issue, the issue of a Jain scholar.
Only what D. Raja says will go on record. Nothing else will go on record.
Sir, it is a very serious issue. I appeal to the treasury benches, I appeal to the opposition to allow me to raise this issue. A Jain scholar, Muthu Krishnan, a Dalit scholar coming from Namakkal district of Tamil Nadu, died in a mysterious situation. This is a serious issue which needs to be discussed in the House.
Listen, he is raising a Dalit issue. He is raising a Dalit issue. You listen to that. Please. Raja is raising a Dalit issue. I think you should give him a patient hearing. Please.
Come on, you sit at the movement there.
You also sit down. Why do you do? Treasury benches should not do that.
Sir,
Treasury benches should not disturb. Sit down.
sir,
You opposition members go back.
discrimination
Please go
against
back.
the students coming from scheduled caste. Sir, there is no order in the House. Can I raise a serious issue? Yet Dalit scholar dying in a mysterious situation. What is happening in this House? What is this, sir? There is the order in the House. We should raise serious issues. Issues of public importance. And the leader of the House is sitting, leader of the opposition sitting. What is this happening?
I would request the Congress members to go back to your seat.
Sir,
I would request you. This is not possible now.
how can I speak, sir, when there is no
Please
order?
go back to your seat. Please go back to your seat.
Sir, there
What
should
is
be a
this?
thorough investigation.
Please go back to your seat.
Discrimination against scheduled caste, scheduled tribe in our central universities. There is no order in this House. How to raise this issue?
Muhammad Ali Khan. Muhammad Ali Khan. 1 second. You see. Please, sir. No, please. No, please. No, please. No, listen to me. Arey Baba. No, please. No, please. Arey stupid.
Sir, what is this? What is this? Sir. Sir, what is happening, sir?
House is adjourned up to 11:30. Up to 11:30.
साढ़े 11